Okay, in your first assignment you're going to start with, this is for the backgrounds course. You don't have to be taking the backgrounds course to watch this video, but as I refer to the first assignment, it won't make sense to you unless you're in that course. And you're going to make very rudimentary structures for your interior and your exterior. And I'm going to start with the exterior because it can be relatively simple. So the easiest thing to do is to create a plane, a polyplane. And let's say, I like to try and use as close to real world units as I can so that everything remains consistent, but sometimes it's ridiculous. Acres and acres of land, you would use 1/10. So what I'll do is pretend the inches are feet. So let me go in and turn my preferences, the units, to, let's see, instead of centimeters, I'm going to turn them to inches and save that. Now the grid, when I turn it on, is each one of these grid lines should be an inch. Okay, so let's make this about 50 inches. That will be huge. This is my ground plane, by 50 inches. And let's divide it 100 times in each direction. Because when it comes to creating a ground plane, oh, go away, I'm not sure I like that new feature. The easiest thing to do is to sculpt it. So here I've got a plane with a lot of geometry. Nothing else that you create this early in the game is going to have this much geometry. I'm going to go to, see where they've hit it. It's probably in Mesh Tools. Sculpting tool. Oh dear. This is all the Mudbox tools they have brought in, and that's not what I want. Sculpt Mesh Tools, what I'm looking for, and I just may not get my way. So I'm going to pause the recording for a second